Can you really beat Indiana drug charges if you've been busted? Facing drug charges in Indiana may feel like it's unwinnable, but with the right knowledge and the approach, you can increase your chances of beating these charges and moving forward from this difficult situation. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know right now. I'm Matt Chappell and I'm a trial lawyer. And what that means is that since 1995, in both Ohio and Indiana, I have been defending the rights of people injured in accidents, as well as representing people who've been charged with crimes. I create free videos like this so I can help people navigate the justice system so they don't get lost in the mess that it is. So check out the rest of my content on my channel or my website, and give me a call if you have any questions. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the key steps that you can take to navigate Indiana drug charges successfully. First, seek legal guidance. The most crucial step in beating drug charges in Indiana is to get an attorney. Then, the second step is to understand what the charges are against you. It's vital that you have an understanding of Indiana drug laws because they have specific language in there that's different from other states. Like other states, Indiana has comprehensive drug laws, and it's extremely important to be familiar with the statutory language that applies to your case. And what this means is you have to know what the elements of the offense are. You have to know the potential penalties, and most importantly for you, what defenses do you have? So how do we do this? Well, first of all, we have to gather all of the evidence, and we have to identify all of the witnesses. Now, when we gather the evidence, what we do is we get paper, we get video, we get audio, and we analyze that to look for ways that the state is going to use this against you, and we're looking for what we can use against the state. Once we've gathered the evidence and analyzed it, then we look for ways to challenge the evidence. Sometimes evidence isn't collected. Sometimes it's left at the scene. Sometimes it's just collected but mishandled. We challenge that. When we get evidence that needs to be challenged, first thing we do is talk to the prosecutor about it. Give them an opportunity to make it right. But sometimes what we have to do is go further. File motions with the court. See if we can get it knocked out. And at some point in time, if we can't get it knocked out, we have to start negotiating with the prosecutor. And the reason why we do that is because what we want to do is minimize your risk. Because if we go to trial, your risk is up here. It's everything on the table. But if they got you over a barrel and they got all the goods on you, then the most important thing that we can do is get you the best deal possible. Oftentimes what I do is I talk to the prosecutor about alternatives to incarceration, drug treatment programs, halfway houses, home detention with counseling. Anything that we can do to make it so that you can actually continue carrying on your life the way it was with a little bit of discomfort. That's what we're trying to get. And when it comes to legal situations like this, it comes down to gathering the evidence, analyzing the evidence, and challenging the evidence. And if you can't do any of that, then you start looking for better ways to get this resolved without somebody going to prison or jail. And that's what I'm here to do for you. Now listen, every case is unique, including yours or your loved ones or your neighbors or whoever it is that you're trying to help. So give me a call. Be more than happy to sit down and talk with you folks for as long as we need to in order to be able to get a good handle on it and give you an understanding of what it's going to take in order to get this job done.